with Trim Parts Incorporated, and we'd like to welcome you to our manufacturing facility here in Lebanon, Ohio. The quality level that we strive to produce here at Trim Parts is to exceed the original manufacturer's quality levels. We put a lot of research and development into our emblems to make sure that they are factory correct, that all the parting lines and casting lines are buffed and polished. The surface finish on the outside of this is a dull black, painted silver like the original. There's studs on the back to mount it to the bumper. One of the things that makes us unique in this application is we have a steel insert that's molded into the part so that when you attach it on the bumper, the studs are not going to break off or not going to deform. Here we have a 1969 to 73 Corvette front fender script. You'll notice that it's chrome plated and the outside edges are painted black like original. The system that we use to do that in-house is we have a metal paint mask, and you'll notice the intricate detail in the mask itself. It's critical that we produce this part exactly the same every time, or our paint mask will not fit and will get a blemished finish. The sample I have in my hand right now is a Trim Parts emblem. Looks very similar to the competition until you look at the fine details. Ours are hand cut and then buffed and polished, so you have a nice smooth edge. Only the bottom face of the S is supposed to be painted and have chrome raised edges. You'll get a part from Trim Parts that will probably well exceed the quality of the original equipment items.